I got something for you to see right here. I'm up here washing clothes at the laundromat. And I just want to know if this is an OSHA violation. Actually, a bad violation. I try not to trip over it. I don't know about you, but oh my goodness, that's the only caution tape here, and it's buried in the dirt. I'll mosey on over here. Y'all see that saw blade down there? Better yet, let me go up here on the steps. Won't hurt to throw that down there. Alright, I'm standing on the steps of the laundromat. And if I zoom in real close, it might be blurry. But there's a saw blade down there in the bottom of that ditch. Now, if a kid comes running out this back door from his mom in there washing clothes, and he were to land on that saw blade, God help us all, he don't. Anyway, this is interesting. I wish I had some caution tape, I'd put it up.